Was it just me or Ramadan literally like just like flew out of the window? Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope you guys are doing well. It is the time of the year, guys, where Khidr posts another video. Eid Mubarak, taqabbalallah minna minkum salih al-a'mal. 10 days too late. I know. Khidr, where have you been, right? But you know what I'm not late for? Raya, right? Because Raya in Malaysia lasts for like freaking forever. So Selamat Hari Raya, Maaf Zahid and Batin to all my Malaysian folks. For those who don't know what Raya means, Raya, woo! Raya is what we call Eid in Malaysia. So we say Raya Aidul Fitri. Another thing, this is my first Eid in Malaysia. So what we did was, my family, my dad's side basically, they arranged a meeting in Johor. We went to Johor for the weekend and we met a lot of my relatives from my dad's side, like I just said. So what's the difference between Eid in Singapore, Eid in Malaysia and Eid in Saudi? People usually ask this question, right? Well, in Saudi, usually happens in Makkah and Medina, by the way, so it's really cool. My family at that time was just my parents, 3 siblings. Eid for us was 4 siblings. I'm sorry. Basically, we just get ready for Eid prayer at Fajr time. We go to the masjid, and we pray Fajr, and then we just pray Eid. We go back, we sleep, and then we basically celebrate Eid at Isha time, where we go to have dinner at a hotel or a really nice restaurant. It sounds boring when I say it like this, but trust me, it's not boring, especially if you're with the family, everyone's laughing, it's a good time, But Malaysia, it's not better or worse in any country, it's just different, you know? It's like in Malaysia, the first day you visit like your grandparents' house if they're still alive, your parents' house. Spend your Eid there for the first day, primarily like an open house. So your friends, family, whatever, they come to your house, you have a feast. And then the second, third day, whatever, you just like go to everyone's house. So that would go for like literally the whole month. So 29th Shawwal, what's after Shawwal? محرم صفر ربيع الأول ربيع الثاني في سنة من سنة الإسلام رمضان شوال ذو القعدة will be knocking at your door and it's like, hey, the moon's coming out, but people will be like, Eid Mubarak, Selamat Hari Raya. I have no idea how that works. So at the end of the day, we passed the ED, the Duit Raya. Let's talk about Duit Raya, okay? I posted a question earlier when Eid started, okay? It's like, who gets Duit Raya? Like, who gets Eid money? Is it strictly for those people who are like working, not working? Or is it like by age, okay? So that's the thing. I'm at this age where I look old enough to be like questionable whether I'm working or not, and nobody actually asks. So those people who actually know me from my family, they give Duit Raya and they give, the big bucks. Alhamdulillah. I was in the 50s club for a long time. Allahumma barik, you know what I'm saying? Those who don't know me, I just don't get Duit Raya, which is fine. Totally fine. I'm not like sad at all. How was your Eid? How was your Eid experience? I know most of you guys are not Malaysian, but if so, I would like to see like, how did you guys celebrate Eid? What's your culture? What's it like in Finland? What's it like in, I have no idea. What's it like in Indonesia? Do we have people from Indonesia watching my videos? By the way, did you guys, obviously this is like side thing, okay? The purpose of Ramadan is so that you become righteous and pious, but obviously there are some health benefits to fasting. So for those people who love data like myself and you guys track your weight, how did you guys do? Like, did you guys lose weight? Especially if you look at Malaysian cuisine, bro, lemang and rendang and like lontong and laksa and satay, are you crazy, bro? Anyway, I have a scale next to me right here, and we're gonna see what my weight is. Am I gonna expose to everyone what my weight is? That's just embarrassing. Just a disclaimer, I have a lot of muscle in my body, okay? Like, I'm not... Wow. What the heck? That's rigged. Why am I so heavy? Oh my gosh, the camera. Okay. Ha! Okay, I know people who are like, what the hell, Khidr? You're like 80 kilos? But you have to understand, before Ramadan, I was like 83, 84. All right, so this is how much I weighed on the first day of Eid. So that was like the final day of Ramadan. I weighed myself and I was 78.8, which is like basically 79. So doing the math, I gained 1.4 kilos in what, a span of a week, 7 days. It's pretty scary stuff. But yeah, so that's the thing. It's Eid. Nobody really cares, which is like 3 pounds. Nobody cares. In my head, Eid is done, right? I'm not gonna be eating like crazy. I'm gonna be more health conscious. Gonna start working out and stuff. I'm just saying. It's pretty incredible actually. The weight loss and the weight gain. That's it for today. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope to see you guys more often than not. And I'll see you in the next one. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. See, Abu Musab, you're watching my videos, man. I'm fit. Obviously.